This colorful summer jar salad is everything you need to feel both full and light at the same time. It's crunchy, flavorful, and incredibly fresh. Start by chopping a few cucumbers into bite-sized pieces. No need to be too precise. Then grab a kitchen mallet and smash them well until they release their juices and soften. Next, prepare some fresh radishes. Clean them thoroughly and smash them just like the cucumbers. Transfer everything into a large jar, add a generous pinch of salt, and mix everything thoroughly. Using your hands works best to bring all the flavors together. Now it's time for the dressing. In a small saucepan or skillet, gently heat some vegetable oil over low heat. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a few drops of sesame oil. Season with another pinch of salt, and finally, grate in a clove of fresh garlic. Let it heat for about 2 minutes, then remove from the heat. Chop some fresh dill and stir it into the slightly cooled dressing. Pour the dressing into the jar with the veggies, seal the jar, and give it a good shake to combine everything. A crisp, aromatic salad that's perfect for hot days. Thanks to its bold flavor and fresh herbs, it's not just a side dish, it's a true summer hit.